Hi, I'm Sarah and I'm one of the tutors here at Wolsey Hall. So this is a video to help you understand the PEE technique. So first of all, what is it? It refers to point, example and explain. For your point, you need to sum up your main idea, and here's a list of phrases that you can use to introduce a point. Next, you have an example, which is sometimes called evidence. You need to use a direct quotation from the text, and it's best to use quotation or speech marks. These provide support for your main point, and here are some useful phrases that you can use to introduce an example. Things like, this is shown by. Then you need to explain the significance of the quote. You could also comment on the effect of the reader, or why the writer has chosen particular words or phrases or techniques. Or you can relate this to the question or the task that you are doing. So, for example, if it focuses on a particular theme or character. Examiners will look out for key phrases to show that you are analysing language, so do try to use them. So here's another list that you can use. So things like this shows, this implies, this suggests. Finally, here's an example of a whole PEE paragraph. So here's your point. The atmosphere is tense in this extract. Your example. For example, as they walk through the jungle, the trees are described as towering above them. This gives us a sense of how tall the trees are. It makes them sound imposing. The narrator feels small and vulnerable in such wilderness. So I hope this helps. My top tip is generally do try to make the explanation part of your PE paragraph the longest and the most developed, as the best way to get a really high grade in reading assignment is the quality of your language analysis.